Super easy, cheesy, tomatoey, meaty noodle casserole. This is Roman Holiday Bake on Cooking with Chris, the YouTube channel where I show you some of my favorite recipes. Subscribe now and click the bell so you don't miss out on future videos. This recipe is something I had growing up, so I just had to do this video for you. It's really easy and quite delicious. The ingredients and the entire recipe is in the description down below, so check it out. This is how you make it. In a large bowl, combine all the ingredients. 1 can of condensed tomato soup, 1 can of condensed cheddar cheese soup, and a ½ cup of milk. Stir in the milk until everything is well mixed, and add about 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Boil half a bag of your favorite egg noodles. Drain them and add them into the bowl and mix until they're well coated. You'll also want to cook 1 onion with a ½ pound of ground beef and a ½ pound of Italian sausage. So onion, ground beef, Italian sausage in a skillet. Drain the fat and mix the meat and onion into the noodles. Then grab a 13x9, pour the noodles in, and top with some freshly grated Sharp Cheddar cheese. Remember, never buy the package of pre-grated cheese ever. And you can also top it with some dried or fresh parsley. Cover the dish with aluminum foil and bake for about 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Serve it by scooping it into a bowl and enjoy one of the casseroles I grew up chowing down on. Leave a comment below and tell me what casserole you remember having growing up. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chris. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because I got more recipes coming soon.